Alright, so right now for me it's really late right now. It is exactly that. So yeah, we're gonna try to unlock Trim. But yeah, this is gonna be a short video because, you know, school tomorrow and all of that stuff. So yeah, that's why there's gonna be like a one round and then that's it. And then tomorrow I'll upload like a full length video. Again, guys, that was just like a little video because, you know, it's nighttime and I don't want to miss like a daily upload since I'm doing daily uploads now. I forgot to upload a video today. So, yeah, this is kind of a daily upload. Kind of. Not really, but kind of. So, yeah, I hope you have a great night. Have a great sleep. And, yeah, I'll see you, probably like when my school ends. And I'll make a video. Bye.